5 pressure groups have demanded the NPP-led state government and all the 60 legislators to meet and discuss the centre's delay to take a decision on the 2 resolutions related to Inner Line Permit (ILP) and inclusion of Khasi language in 8th schedule to the Constitution of India. After a meeting with the Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, HYC President Robert June Kharjaran said that Tinsong had informed the delegation that the Union Home Minister Amit Shah may visit Shillong in a couple of weeks from now. The 2 issues were among the 9-point charter of demands of the HYC and other 4 pressure groups NJNC, JSM, HANM and Corp under Safe Nyotrep mission, which was launched recently. HYC President Robert June Kharjaran said these demands have been pending for long and asked the state government to take up these matters with the centre.
That need to take a call. We have asked the state government about the position. What is the portion of ILP resolution and what is the portion of language resolution to the 8th schedule to India? It's very sad to say that the Home Ministry till date, they could not give the concrete position of where it is. If it takes 2-3 months to study Manipur, what is a big deal for Meghalaya? Why we have been modernist treated. We are also indigenous, they are also indigenous. If you could grant
The Chief Minister